This is the August Look Fantastic box. This edit is called It's Time to Hydrate. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have an unboxing for you, and it is this. So this is the August Look Fantastic box. Let's get it out of here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. I have a giveaway going on at the moment over on my August glossy box unboxing video. I will link that just here. It's there. I will link that just here. Go click it, listen to the instructions on how to enter. It is to win the August glossy box. I get given PR every month from Glossybox, and I also pay for a monthly subscription, and the giveaway is for the box that I pay for. Here is the box. I am loving that blue colour. It's very fresh colour blue indeed. If you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, it's £15 per month, and I do have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box below and the comment box. Yeah, give it a click and you'll get £5 off your first box, which is a great saving. Box, you can get skincare, hair care, beauty tools, makeup and so on. Let's have a little sneak peek. Right, so in the box you get your edit card booklet. It has information on the products in here, which is great. There is a little sneak peek for you. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got going on in here. Right, so just heading back to the information booklet, it has the name of the edit. This edit is called It's Time to Hydrate. Looking through, we have an editor's note. Those are the products that you could possibly get. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and you will get 6 of them. And yeah, here is the information on all of them there. A sneak peek. Yes, it has. So for next month, the month of September, that is the sneak peek. Let's have a look. It's a Ren product. I love Ren. So it's Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, worth £15. Awesome. Right, so let's start off with the first product, and we're going to start off with what we had as a sneak peek for this month, last month. Does that make sense? It does in my head. So the first product we have is this. This is a gorgeous purple bottle. You're not really seeing it at the moment, but I will show you properly in a moment. I'll get my little light on there. This is by the brand Medic8, and it's Hydrate B5 Intense. What is it? This super lightweight serum helps to kickstart the natural production of hyaluronic acid in the skin, blocks its breakdown, and works in conjunction with hyaluronic acid to deliver immediate and long-term hydration for all day moisture. So you massage 6 drops into your face and neck and décolleté, leave to dry before applying your moisturiser. Fab. So I have heard of this brand before, and it is cool. Let me just get my phone just so I can show you the colour on this. Yeah, can you see that? Like a lovely purple colour. It's really pretty. So that is the colour of it. I was expecting something clear. So there it is there. Feels really light, wow. And it's been absorbed, and look at that nice glow that it leaves there. I can't smell anything, nothing that my nose is picking up in any way, but that feels absolutely gorgeous on the skin. Second product I have in my box is this. So this is by the brand Philip Kingsley, and this is Elastizer Sachet. This is a multi-award winning pre-shampoo treatment. It encapsulates the true freshness of seaside living with its dreamy scent. Suitable for the finest of hair, it adds elasticity, manageability, bounce, shine, whilst visibly reducing breakage over time. It just says here to dampen your hair with water and apply the elasticizer, ensuring maximum coverage. Cover hair with a shower cap or a towel and leave on for a minimum of 10 to 20 minutes, which is great. I normally like to leave hair masks on and stuff for a minimum of 30 minutes just to get that little bit of extra out of it. I have received quite a few of these, and you know what, I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna have to try it, and I'm gonna have to do a video. But yeah, I've heard very, very good things about this, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to sort my life out and get it tried. The third product I have in my box is this. So this is by the brand Glov, and it's a green jade gua sha. It just says, thanks to the unique shape, the gua sha is able to massage hard to reach areas for an even looking complexion. Regular massages using the gua sha stimulate the skin and smooth over fine lines. Facial massages also minimise the appearance of fatigue, puffiness and dark circles. So I've received a few of these in various different boxes over the last year. I don't know how many more. But how many more are we going to get? Let's face it. I think I have received this one as well in one of the boxes. But I do tend to neglect myself, and when I do remember, I do like to put a nice rich thick creamy moisturizer on and get a gua sha out just to play. I don't do it often enough, so again I need to work on that. But it feels nice and smooth, it looks nice and pretty. Yeah, another one to go in the tools drawer. Right, so for information wise in the book, like I showed you before, it does have a picture here containing all of the products that's going to be in the box. Well, as I say, you'll get 6 of them, sorry. And then I thought, okay, yeah, we've got the information on the products that we have got in the box, but we only have 3, which is the 3 top picks. There is nothing in here about the products, the other products that are in. How strange. Okay. We will freestyle it. Next out of the box, I have picked this one up. I am loving the packaging. It goes with the colour theme of the box. I love a theme. This is by the brand Syrene. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is an Aqua Hydrating Mask. It is 100 mils. It just says, a highly effective nighttime treatment to help repair damage caused by the environment and hydrate the skin overnight. Apply a layer of the gel mask over your face and neck. Allow it to feed through your skin overnight. I love a good mask. This feels such good quality and it's so pleasing to the eye. Oh, so there it is there. It's like a gel. And it smells so good. Let's just... Oh, that's too much, but never mind. Right, so I've just popped some on there. It is way too much. And on contact, as you can see, it kind of turns to a liquid. That is so, so interesting. And Jesus, that is really hydrating. Look at that. Oh, it smells so nice and fresh and yummy. And my skin feels so soft now. You can't really see it, but there's one hell of a glow there that is great. Oh my God, that feels amazing. Guess what I'm slapping on my face tonight? 5th product in the box is this, again sticking with the colour theme, loving it. This is by the brand Sachet, and this is Ocean Mist Volume Shampoo. Oh, okay, so there's 30 mils that you get in here. I'm trying to read the back of it and it's white writing on like a clear thing and it's really hard. This shampoo gives your hair structure, volume and strength. Apply to wet hair, lather and rinse thoroughly. Fab, I love trying stuff in my hair, but I have this gripe every time. We either receive, and it's not just in this box, it's in multiple boxes, we either receive just a shampoo or we either receive just a conditioner. I want a shampoo and a conditioner. I love stuff that matches, and there is no conditioner in the box. Spoiler. So that's really, really upsetting to me. I would love to have tried this with a little conditioner. But yeah, It looks nice, great brand, great brand. I'm gonna have to see if I can pick up a little 30ml conditioner somewhere, because I am a stickler for a set. The sixth and final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Eyeko, and it's something different from Eyeko. Don't get me wrong, yes, we do get a lot of eyeliners. I've had enough of them. I do love when I get an Eyeko mascara. I actually really love the mascaras I've tried from Eyeko so far. Fantastic. But this is a double act shadow stick. Yay! So this side here, this shade is called Cookies, and this shade here is called Cream. Let's get the swatching. So this one is Cookies. Ooh. Lovely, that's really nice. It feels nice and creamy. Very creamy actually. That's such a me shade. I love that kind of neutral shade, and this one is the Cream. Oh, nice, very pretty. Oh yeah, they are lovely together. They are absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to try them. Hi guys, so this edit is It's Time to Hydrate, and this is the August Look Fantastic box. So just a quick reminder of what we have. We have a gua sha, we have an Elastizer by Philip Kingsley, we have a shadow stick, we have a intense serum, an odd lonely little shampoo, and a mask that we use overnight for the face. Yeah, what do you think? Personally, I am loving this box, loving it this month, which makes me so happy. That face mask that you put on overnight smells amazing, feels amazing. Guys, you won't believe how soft my skin feels. Yeah, the serum looks amazing too. The shadow stick and the Philip Kingsley Elastizer. A lonely little shampoo. That's a big trucky van lorry thing driving by. Bugger off. Yeah, a lonely little shampoo. That makes me so sad. But yeah, I'll have to try and find a little matching conditioner to go with it. I just have to have a set. There's something in my brain where I need a set. It has to be a set to be in my life. Drastic, I know, no, I'm always over the top. But no, I absolutely love this box. Love it. So again, if you would like to treat yourself to this box, the link is down below in the information box and the comment box. Give that a click and you will get £5 off your first box, which is a great saving. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.